So Emma, I got something in the mail and I waited for you to come home so we can open it together. Do you know what it is? Think really hard. It's something for my YouTube channel. What is it? What is it? The what? I can't hear you. They can't hear you.
The white button thing.
Get it started and then you can open it. Put it right here. Ooh, what is that? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
You just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Thank you. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you in all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create, share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. A million subscribers may be a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Is it some? Is it some mama?
I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this, but I think when we get a house, I'll put it up in our new house, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yay!